Welcome to my channel, Happy Crochet Club. Today we will make adult hats up to 22 inches. Start 18 young adults and adults 22. And 8 inches. Hat is stretchy. I used Aran yarn or worsted weight yarn, number 4, 3 crochet hooks, 5mm crochet hook, 4mm crochet hook and 3.5mm crochet hook. If you like to make baby hat, the same pattern, link will be in description box, 0 to 3 months. If your yarn is thinner than newborn. I made in 2 colors. You can also make for men. Then here I start with double crochet 12. You can start with double crochet 13 or 14 if need wider. And the same pattern, just all around stitches. When I say example 60, then for you, for men hat will be more. And we can start. 5mm crochet hook, make chain 3, skip 2 chains in this first chain, 12 double crochet. Each round we join with slip stitch with first worked stitch. Chain 1, start in the same stitch, double crochet, two double crochet in each stitch. One double crochet in this previous round slip stitch space. Slip stitch, chain 1, start in the same stitch, double crochet, two double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet. Twelve stitches, 24 stitches, third round 36 stitches. Slip stitch, chain 1, start in the same stitch, double crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, repeat, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, slip stitch, (48 stitches), chain 1, start in the same stitch, 3 stitches, double crochet, next stitch, 2 double crochet, repeat, (60 stitches), slip stitch, chain 1, start in the same stitch, 4 double crochet, in the next stitch, 2 double crochet, repeat, 4, and 2 in the next stitch. (72 stitches), make 1 more double crochet in this previous round slip stitch space. Slip stitch, chain 1, repeat 2 stitches, front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet, repeat, last stitch front post, double crochet and slip stitch. Chain 1, repeat 1 more round exactly the same. last stitch, front post double crochet and join with slip stitch this first worked stitch. Done. Chain 1, then start in this first stitch, double crochet, front post, double crochet, repeat these 2 stitches, double crochet, front post, double crochet, wrong side, last stitch, double crochet, join with slip stitch, the same wrong side, chain 1, start in the same stitch, repeat exactly the same 2 more rounds. Double crochet, front, double crochet, last stitch, double crochet, join with slip stitch. Now need 10. 3 rounds done, chain 1, turn the right side, front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet. We will repeat this 5 rounds. Front post, back post, double crochet. Repeat, last stitch, front post, double crochet, join with slip stitch. Chain 1, repeat this round 1 more time. Front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet. Two rounds in total done. Chain 1, turn, double crochet in the first stitch, front post, double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat, double crochet, front post, double crochet. Last stitch, double crochet, join with slip stitch, chain 1, start in the same stitch, double crochet, front post, double crochet. And repeat 2 more rounds, exactly the same. 3 rounds in total done. Chain 1, turn the right side, front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet, front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet. Continue. Last stitch, front post, double crochet, and slip stitch. Repeat 2 more rounds, exactly the same. Just next round used 4mm crochet hook, for second round, and for third round use 3.5mm crochet hook. Next round, chain 1, front purse double crochet, back purse double crochet, and continue. When round done, change crochet hook to 3.5mm crochet hook. With the same 3.5mm crochet hook, last round, chain 1, front post, single crochet, back post, single crochet, front post, single crochet, back post, single crochet. Then join with slip stitch. Last front post, single crochet and slip stitch. Done. Then chain 1, secure, and hat is ready. Thank you for watching. Leave comments, like, subscribe to channel, and see you soon.